Hi, this is Lee from Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2009 Ford Ranger, stock number 7138. It's ran by 12 2006 and an after 2011. There's a WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre, left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door has some dents, good private. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear and right front door, a few dents, good private. Right hand door mirror, right front guard. Right front 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Factory single stack stereo, stereo mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.